Autumn is a marvelous time of the year. Everything is changing around and making eyes happy by its colors. The trees are very bright, but the grass on the ground is a bit faded. After the rain, in the reflections of puddles we can see autumn pictures. Nature is really amazing and beautiful at this time. Autumn is the best time for walks in the woods and rainy town streets. In the woods, you can pick mushrooms and lovely flowers which you can keep in the vase for a long time. In autumn, it's also pleasant to walk in the city parks. Everything around is in different colors: red and orange leaves on the trees and green fir trees. I love autumn for its brightness and uniqueness.